What is the most common singing mistake that you should definitely avoid? Welcome to another 3-minute vocal tip. My name is Dirk Hoppe and I'm a singer and vocal coach. In more than 15 years of teaching countless singers, there's one all-time classic of the mistakes I've come across. And it's really an essential one. It's responsible for so many different problems. It can hinder your voice from reaching the high notes, from singing with ease, getting the sound that you're after, having great control and stamina, and so on. Also, it's the most common reason for singers getting hoarse or even getting serious voice problems. And the worst thing is that you might not even notice that you're doing it. So, what is it and what can we do about it? The most common mistake in singing you should avoid is using too much breath. Why is that? The vocal cords are small structures that need only very little air to vibrate perfectly. And the more air we use on a note, the more pressure we put on them that they have to deal with. But why do we tend to use too much air? The reason is, it's less work. And we are lazy, we are humans. Let's try this together. Take a deep breath and hold it. Keep the throat open and hold the breath by freezing the inhalation. Feel the muscles in your torso working. Now, relax these muscles and let go of the breath. You see, if we just relax, we lose all of the air in just 1 second. So we have to work against the natural urge to release all of the breath at once. We have to actively hold back the air while singing or speaking. That's what's called breath support. On top of that, many singers tend to push out the air even more when singing loud. The loud notes mostly require even less air for the voice to work at its best. Here you need to work even more to hold back the breath. Okay, so now that we know what we're up against, here are 3 things you can do right away to fix this. First, sing a song phrase and imagine you are breathing in while singing. Or hold the posture right after the inhalation. I was standing all alone against the world outside. Hold this position as long as possible. Tell yourself, hold back, hold back, hold back. Second, don't breathe in too much air. The more we inhale, the higher the pressure of the air and the harder it will be to hold it back. As a rule of thumb, inhale only about 80% of your capacity. Third, focus on your lower ribs. They should expand during inhalation and then they collapse when you relax for the exhalation. Now try to keep the ribs expanded for as long as possible while you're singing. Keep the rib cage open, especially towards the end of a phrase. World outside. If you find this difficult or you're running out of breath quickly, then I have one golden exercise for you. Sing a note very quietly and sustain it as long as possible. Try this on different pitches and different vowels. Start with one that you can hold the longest and then work your way from there to the other vowels and other notes. Try to make the note even and use a timer to count the time you can sustain it to track your progress. Practice this every day and you get a fantastic breath control and excellent support. If you liked this video, please let me know by giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon not to miss upcoming vocal tips. And if you have any questions or want to give me feedback, please write in the comments below. Have fun and take care.